Hi guys, welcome back to this MailChimp course. In this video we'll take a look at how to add the pop-up using a plugin. The plugin we'll use, it's called Pop-up Ally. So the first thing we'll do is to install the plugin. So I'll copy the name, then I'll go into my dashboard, under plugins, add new. I'll paste the name and search for the plugin. Here's the plugin. So I'll click on install. I'll click on activate. Then to view the plugin, I'll go to the plugin settings here, Pop-up Ally. So for the free version of Pop-up Ally, I can see you can only have two pop-ups, meaning you can create two different pop-ups, pop-up 1 and pop-up 2. In the display settings, we have different ways for the pop-up to be displayed. So you can have a time delayed pop-up. -1 disables it, 0 will show it immediately. So if you want your pop-up to show up after maybe 60 seconds, you'll select this and right there 60 seconds. Then we have the exit intent pop-up. Exit intent pop-up will pop up when a user shows signs of exiting the page. For example, if they are going to click on the back button, so that's a sign of the user exiting, and at that particular point the pop-up will pop up. Then we have the embedded sign up. The embedded sign up is it's not a pop-up really, it's just, if you've taken a look at most WordPress blogs, you'll see that at the end of the post there is a form where people can sign up. So that's basically what this is. So in this case, you can have an option of putting the form at the top of the post or at the end of every post or page. We can start looking at each of these. So time delayed pop-up, if I click on this, you'll see other settings will come down here. So for the time delayed pop-up, if you want to use the time delayed pop-up, you'll put here the number of seconds that you want the form to delay. If you want it to delay for 5 seconds, you'll put there 5 seconds. Then down here you can see show for all pages. You can choose to show the pop-up for each and every page, or you can come down here and select. So you'll select all pages, you can select all posts. Or if you have pages that you don't want the pop-up to show up, you will come here and you'll select where you want the pop-up to show up. You can choose either all or all posts, or all pages and all posts. Then we also have this option of show pop-up every 14 days. Down here you can see -1 means that every time the page loads, the pop-up will appear. 0 after the browser has been closed and reopened, the pop-up will show up. So here you'll put the numbers of days for which you want the pop-up not to show up once it appears. So if you put 14 days, it means that if a user sees the form today, the next time they'll see the form will be 14 days from today. So that was for time delayed pop-up. Let's select that off. Then let's try the exit intent pop-up. The exit intent pop-up brings out the same settings. So you'll choose where you want the pop-up to appear, after how many days you want the pop-up to appear, the frequency of the pop-up showing to the user. Then we have the embedded sign up. As I said, the embedded is just a form that is embedded on the post. Also, you can see here we have start of post or page. You can have the form show up at the start of the post or page content, or it can be at the end of post or page content, or it can be at the bottom of the page. Similarly, you can choose which pages and which posts it will show up on. So this is just the same as the other one, but it's a second pop-up form. So if you choose anything here, it will be for the second pop-up. We haven't designed the pop-ups yet. In the next video, we are going to take a look at style settings. This is where we'll build the form. We'll see how the form appears on our website. Thanks guys, and till next time.